If you've ever thought about selling something online but have no idea where to start, you're not alone. You've probably heard about people hyping up platforms like Gumroad or Stan Store, each claiming to be the best way to launch your own business. But how are you actually supposed to know which one works best for you? That's why in this video, we're putting Gumroad and Stan Store head to head to find out which one truly comes out on top. Because picking the wrong one, that could mean losing sales, getting hit with higher fees, and wasting time on a platform that doesn't even suit your business. I'm gonna tell you that Stan Store is the best because it's super simple, but Nathan here, he's gonna tell you Gumroad's better because of its flexibility. And if you're confused, we get it. We've spent enough time testing both so that we can break it all down for you. The fees, the features, how easy it is to use, and ultimately, which platform will best suit you. Over the last year, we've tested out selling digital products and building an online business, bouncing across heaps of different platforms just to try and figure out what actually works. So instead of just guessing, you're getting real insights from two twins who have used them both. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one is the best fit for you. All right, let's get into it. Round one, ease of use and setup. So the first thing every beginner should be looking for when choosing their online creator store is how easy it is to set up and use. And what better store to choose than Gumroad? All right, if you think Stan Store is easy to set up, where's your explanation, huh? All right, Stan Store is literally your all-in-one platform for beginners to use. You sign up, connect the payment method, and just like that, you're ready to sell. Unlike Gumroad, you gotta go through tax forms and product pages and blah, blah, blah. It's definitely not as quick. I'll show you. All right, guys, when it comes to setting up your Stan Store account, it's super, super simple. There's about 5 steps to do, and then you're ready to go. You're ready to start listing your products. What you want to do is come down here and click the start 14 days free. So you get a free 14-day trial to check it out, see if it's something that suits you the best. It's going to come and bring you here. So you're going to fill in all your details, obviously your name, your email, your phone number, and all that stuff. Once you've done that, you move on to the next step. And then once you've submitted that, it's going to bring you to this page here where you just have to set up a card for the account. You don't have to pay anything now. This is just for when the trial ends. If you did want to cancel it, you can do that before you get charged. They just need you to set up something for that. So you want to go ahead and put all that in. Once you've done that, guys, it's going to bring you over to this page here. They're just going to ask you a bit of questions about you and what you're sort of related with, what's your interest and all that sort of stuff. It's not too important. You can just go through it and pick whatever you like, but whatever suits you the best, you can just go with that. The first step, once you're loaded and you're in, you want to come in here, add your profile picture. You click here. We're just going to go with whatever. It can be, you can put a photo of your face. It could be a photo of something related to what you're all about. Okay. You can just choose out. We're just going to go with this because that's myself and Nathan's photo. Yep. That's it. Now you want to upload that. Your profile's in. And you just want to go to the next step. So follow all these steps all the way through. Now here you want to add your socials. So you just want to do like a short description about yourself. And then once you do that, you click save and then you'll be on the next step, which is set up your direct deposit. You can skip this for now if you like, which is completely fine. And then the last step, guys, is to create your product. You want to click on this button here and you're going to see all the different product types you can choose from. You choose the product that you're closest suited with. And there you go. You're ready to go with Stan Store. See, it's as easy as that. Okay, fair point. But with Stan Store, once you've gone through all your account sign up, choosing your shopfront layout is definitely not as good as Gumroad. Stan Store locks you into their pre-made templates. With Gumroad, you can literally design and customize your shopfront template so it can be unique to you and your own brand. Watch, I'll show you. All right, guys, so once you sign up for Gumroad, it's going to take you to this homepage here. From here, you want to scroll down on the left-hand side and click on settings. Then you want to go and click on profile. And this is where you can update your shopfront template. So it's going to get you to put a username in, update your name, and you want to put your bio. So your bio could just be a bit about yourself, what you sell, and then also who your audience is. Then you want to go and update a logo. You can also put in some social links. And then down here is where you can actually go and customize your shopfront. So you can change the font, you can change the background color, the highlight color. And once you've done that, you want to go to the top right corner and click on update settings. Once that's been updated and the changes have been saved, you want to go and click on preview. Now, this is just a quick tutorial, so I haven't really put too much effort into it, but feel free to change it up yourself, make it look unique to you and your own personal brand. All right, so to summarize round one, if you're looking for more options and freedom, especially if you want to create a unique store that matches your personal brand, then Gumroad is definitely your best bet. Sure, it's a bit more involved, but you get to fully customize your shopfront, which can definitely pay off in the long run. However, if you're someone who wants to get up and running fast, Stan Store definitely takes the cake. It's super simple, there's no stuffing around. Just sign up, connect your payment method, and you're ready to start selling. So now that I won that debate, Let's go over another way Gumroad is better than Stan Store. Round 2, pricing and fees. Gumroad 100% wins here. You don't pay any monthly fees. You only pay a percentage per sale, which makes it super beginner friendly. You're not committing to a monthly fee up front. Just pay when you start making money. And here's the catch. If you're just starting up and you don't know if your product's gonna take off, Gumroad is definitely a low risk choice. You're not locked into a monthly fee and you can always upgrade to the premium plan later on. Bro, but that 10%, it adds up over time. If you're selling consistently, Gumroad can actually cost you more in the long run. You're paying that 10% per sale on every transaction. So if you're making a lot of sales, that adds up so quick. Stan Store, on the other hand, only has a $29 monthly fee. Yeah, you pay that monthly fee up front, but once you're making sales, you keep 100% of the revenue after that. If you're consistently selling, that's way more profitable than taking a percentage out of every sale. And let's say you're making $1,000 a month. On Gumroad, you'd lose $100 because of that 10% fee. But with Stan Store, you keep that full $1,000 and you only pay the $29 monthly fee. It's really only worth it for creators who are serious about making money and actually expect to sell consistently. All right, so in summary, for beginners, Gumroad is definitely the more flexible approach as it comes with no upfront costs. But if you're consistently making sales, Stan Store's flat fee saves you more in the long run. Now that we've settled that, let's get on to round 3. Features and customization. All right, when it comes to features and customization, Stan Store is built specifically for influencers and creators. You can sell digital products, coaching calls, and even link your socials directly on your store page. Makes it super easy to build a brand. It's designed to keep things simple and tailored to your audience. Everything you need is right there, and you don't have to worry about being complicated. If you're an influencer or creator, this is your platform. So for this example, I'm going to show you all how to set up a coaching call on Stan Store. What you want to do, come to your homepage, you're going to want to click create your product. You click that, it's going to show you all the different product types. Like I said, for this one, we're going to be showing you the coaching call. So you click on coaching call. Now it's going to bring you to the customization page. So if you look on the right here, this is what's going to appear on that very first screen when people click your Stan Store link. This is going to be one of the options. So you can change your style that you like. So you've got the button one, you've got the call out, you've got the preview. For this one, I think the call out looks the best. So we're just going to keep something like that. Now, when you come down to the image, you can leave it as the Google Calendar because people know that's like to book something in or like book it in on your calendar. But you can also do like, for example, a phone emoji or say call, like book a call or something, you know, people are going to pick that up that it's a phone. So you come down to the text here. This is what's going to be appearing on the front. So you got to make sure it's aligned with whatever you're talking about. So for example, you could do like, if you're doing for example, a weight loss program or something, you could be like, lose weight fast, 20 min personalized phone call. Perfect. So lose weight fast, if you look at the right here, 20-minute personalized phone call. So this is exactly what people are going to see. So you want to make sure that it's actually like people are going to be interested in it. You can't do something that's boring. Like make sure that you actually put a bit of thought into what's going to be appearing on that. Then when you come down here, you can see here like book a private coaching session with me. That's perfectly fine. You're going to be saying that for no matter what niche you do. So you can keep that. Now that first page is done, you want to click next. It's going to bring you to the checkout page. So once people click on that first link, they're going to come to this page here. This is exactly what they're going to see. So you can customize this whole page here. For example, you can change this image to whatever you like. For example, here as well, private coaching. So you can do this for all the options down here, even like here with your description. You can tell them what the call is going to be about. So you can be like a personalized meal plan, personalized gym plan, you know, all the different sort of like top tips that people want to do for, you know, losing weight, for example, whatever this like coaching call is going to be about, you just describe it no matter what you're doing. And you can customize all this stuff. So you can change all this if you like. We're not going to do that. You can do it if you like. Then scroll down, you can set up the price. So for example, for this one, you might put it a bit more expensive. You couldn't put it like $50, for example, $49.99. You can do like a discounted price as well if you like, but you need to upgrade to unlock that. Then you come down here, you can collect all their info. So you got their name, their email, their mobile number, you can do that. You can also add whatever field you like. So you can add like a text box where they can sort of submit some information about what they want to be speaking about, what their problems are. But you can just customize that whatever you like. Then click next. It's going to bring you to all the availability. You can come and sort all this out. You can figure this out, like your duration could be 45 minutes, max attendees, all this sort of stuff. You can just play around with this, guys. If you come through, you'll be able to figure that out pretty simple. And then you click publish, and there you go. It's ready to go. So this is what it's going to look like for everyone. So lose weight fast, 20-minute personalized phone call for 50 bucks. There it is, guys. Well, what about Gumroad? One standout feature is the ability to offer pay what you want pricing. This is perfect for building trust with your audience. Let them decide what your work is worth while still setting a minimum price. Gumroad also lets you customize your product pages. You can add descriptions, videos, and even preview files so your audience knows exactly what they're getting. If you're selling things like ebooks, design assets, or exclusive video content, Gumroad lets you create a unique and personalized experience for all your customers. All right, guys, to go and sell a digital product, in this case, we're going to sell an ebook on Gumroad. What you want to do is go to products, and then what you want to do is go and click on new product. Now, once you come to this page here, the first thing you're going to want to do is to put in the name of your product. So for us, we're going to go something like travel ebook. Once you've got your name, you want to scroll down here. Now, what you can see here is service products are disabled until your account is 30 days old. Now, I'm using a dummy account for this example, but to be able to sell things like commissions and calls on Gumroad, your account will have to be at least 30 days old. So once you put your name in, you want to come down and click on price, and you want to put in a price. So we're just going to go with, say, $10 for now. And then you want to go and click on next. So once you get to this page, you're going to want to put your name in, then you're going to want to put a description in about what your product is going to be. Once you've got your description in, you want to scroll down. Now your URL, this can just be anything. This could be, say, travel ebook. With your custom domain, you don't have to put anything in there unless you've already got something yourself. If you want to learn a bit more about it, there's always the learn more button here in the corner. And then what you want to do now is you want to scroll down, and you're going to have to upload your cover. This is what people are going to see when they go and click on your website. So to do that, you just want to go and upload, and you want to click on computer files and just go grab whatever file you've made. Now, once your cover's in, you want to scroll down, and you're going to have to upload a thumbnail. Now, this image appears in the Gumroad library, the Discover, and your profile pages. So you want to go and upload that. All right, so once you've uploaded your thumbnail, you'll come to your product info. So you want to put a call to action. Now, it'll give you a few different choices. So when someone goes to click on your product, if they want to go and buy it, it's either pay, buy this, or I want this. We're going to go with buy this. So your summary, you just want to put something like, here's what you'll get in this ebook, and then your additional details. So you want to add some important features of your product, which can help your customers decide what to buy. So you want to click on add detail. And for example, we're going to go with travel tips. Now that could be something, a feature of our book. We're going to be giving people travel tips and so forth. You just want to add any other features or details of your digital product. You can also put a dollar value in there, but we're just going to leave that for now. Now, integrations, this is where you can invite your customers to one of your personal servers or communities that you have going. Now, when it comes to pricing, I think this is one of the best features of Gumroad. They actually allow the customers to pay what they want. So, for example, if we were to click here, if our minimum amount for our product was $10, we could go and put our suggested amount as 20. So we could be telling people, yeah, we think it's this much, but the minimum amount that they can pay will be $10. Now, once you've set your prices, you want to scroll down. Now you can add a different version of it. So for example, you could add the Pro book. So this could just be the next version up. And then for example, you could add another one, and you could go gold version and so forth. This way you can provide more exclusive offers, and you can also add an additional amount to actually make more money off the product. And then with these settings down here, limit product sales, allow customers to choose the quantity. None of these ones, we don't have to click any of them. So once we've done that, we want to go and click on save and continue. Now, when you get to this page here, this is where you want to actually go and include all the content of your digital product. So you want to go and click on this button here, upload files, and go and get whatever files you have, if they are saved in your computer, and you want to upload them to there. Now, once you've gone and uploaded all the files that you need for your digital product, you want to go and click on publish and continue. And it should look something like this. You can even go ahead and share it on some different platforms as well. So essentially, Stan Store is great for digital product creators and influencers who want an easy setup and a branded storefront. But Gumroad is the ideal choice for creators who want a bit more freedom and the ability to sell a wider range of product types, making it a great option if you want to diversify your income streams and offer a mix of products or services while keeping control over your pricing strategy. Which platform suits you? Alright, so we've covered some of the main features of each platform. Let's break it down and figure out which one best suits you. Now, if you're still wondering which one suits me, then you need to listen up. Stan Store is best suited for TikTok and Instagram creators, selling coaching calls, and beginner-friendly stores. Now, if you're already killing it on TikTok or Instagram, Stan Store is perfect. It's made for creators who are all about visual content and building out their brand on social media. It's super easy to link directly from your socials and turn followers into customers. Are you a coach or a mentor? Stan Store is built perfectly for that. Whether you're offering one-on-one coaching or group sessions, this platform makes it super simple to set up and manage your coaching calls. You don't need to be tech savvy to start selling your time and expertise. Now, if you're just starting out and you need something that's actually simple to use, Stan Store is perfect for that. The setup is very beginner friendly and it's ideal for those who want to focus on their content and not have to worry about building a website from scratch. If you feel like Stan Store is the best choice for you, we'll leave a link in the description and you can go get that started. Now, Gumroad, on the other hand, is best for selling digital products at scale, for people who don't want to pay those monthly fees, and for customization and advanced setups. If you're all about digital products, for example, ebooks, courses, or templates, then Gumroad is your go-to. It allows you to scale easily and sell a wide variety of digital items. Plus, it supports all the important things, like offering discounts, bundle deals, and upsells, so that you can make more money with each transaction. Maybe you're not feeling the whole monthly subscription thing. If that's you, then Gumroad is your perfect alternative. This is perfect for creators who just want to test the waters without committing to this monthly cost. If you're looking for a bit more flexibility when it comes to customization, Gumroad gives you the ability to tweak your store's layout and branding to a degree that Stan Store doesn't. It's perfect for creators who want to level up and give their customers a more personalized experience. And if you feel like Gumroad is better suited to you, we'll leave a link in the description below so that you can get started today. Ultimately, whether you go with Stan Store for how easy it is to use, or if you go for Gumroad because of its flexibility, both are going to be great for you to start growing your online business. And if you're looking to dive deeper into marketing your products online, then check this video out here on digital marketing. And if you want more content like this in the future, feel free to leave a comment about what you want to see next. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.